Hello friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to share another quick recipe that we can make with a different vegetable today. So this is first time ever in my channel, and we are 14 different YouTube channels participating here for this pumpkin palooza collaboration. So I will list all the YouTube channels that are participating here in the description below. So you can go and check out their pumpkin creation, what new recipes or what recipes they are coming with. So it's all exciting about today's video. I'm going to share pumpkin fry in air fryer. Normally we can do this in skillet also, but I prefer to do it in air fryer. So let's see how to do this. So here I've taken half of the pumpkin. I got this medium sized pumpkin. Peel the skin. Now I'm going to cut it like a French fries shape. So here you can see I've cut it long lengthwise. So here I'm going to wash it. We need not soak it for hours or something like that. Pumpkin doesn't require that. There's no starch in it. So here I'm going to wash it and throw away the water. Next I'm adding the dry ingredients here. So here I've added garlic powder, onion powder, all half teaspoon measurement, half teaspoon of this is Kashmiri red chili powder. You can add paprika here, half tablespoon oil and half tablespoon corn flour here. So we have onion powder, garlic powder, chili powder, then corn flour and oil, salt per taste. That's it. Now give it a good mix. So here I would like to share with you, if you want to have that crispy fried texture, then you have to pat dry the pumpkins once it is, once you rinse it off or the water is sieved. So here I did not pat dry it, so the veggie is not going to be crispy, but it's more of a like a slightly roasted pumpkin with all the flavors that I wanted in it. So if you want to have crispy pumpkin fries, then you have to pat dry it once it's washed. So let's set the air fryer at 375 Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. So I will open the basket now and add Parmesan cheese here. We want that flavor of Parmesan in this. It just brings this recipe to the next level. I'm going to add freshly chopped parsley here. Yum, it smells so good. All the spices and cheese, it smells really good. Very easy recipe. We can make it in an air fryer, or we can do this in skillet also, or oven also. So here it's done. I air fried it once again for 385 Fahrenheit for 2 minutes. You can put it to 2 to 3 minutes. Now it's ready to be served. So here once again I'm adding parsley and Parmesan here. It gives a nice, yummy, delicious look, isn't it? It's done. We can enjoy this, just as a side, and it tastes really good. I'll mention the YouTube channels that are participating for Pumpkin Palooza. We all have a hashtag Pumpkin Palooza, so you can go and check out their recipes too. See you then. Bye bye.